We are just leaving the house, it's pouring, and the guy just called me, he's waiting outside to take us to the wineries. But look how much rain is falling down, and now we are walking to the van. We are driving to the 6 wineries where we're gonna try wine. We are in the first winery, it's called Xanadu, and the thing we have been told that's stuck in my head is that Margaret River is a small place in Australia and produces 2 to 3% of Australian wines, but in quality it produces 20 to 30% of the best quality in Australia. And I just had a white wine and it was fantastic. Cheers. Cheers. 7 wines altogether, and I already feel like I'm holding there, a bit spacing out, but amazing experience. We have 3 wineries to go, and good luck to me. We just arrived at the second winery. It looks so much different from the first one. The name of this one is Voyager. Inside it looks so fancy, like in an old fancy way. We are leaving the second winery, we are 14 drinks in, it feels fantastic, a bit all over the place, but we're going to the third winery right now. Are we? Yeah, we are. She's feeling alright. We are at the third wineries of the day. It's 14 drinks in. I feel very tipsy right now, but the wine is amazing. I can feel the quality they are describing, and we are having actually a very good time. They are serving a little bit of food for munches, and they keep pouring drinks. They explain the history behind the drinks. They explain the mixes behind the formation of the drink. So if it's mixed with something, and the history of the year where the drinks were created and how they create the drinks in an individual farm. The place where they're serving the drinks here in the third farm looks very, very simple, but the drinks are so good. I can say they invest a lot into the process they used to make the wines, either white, red or rosé. Next one will be the last one, and after that we will go to the chocolate factory. It's still pouring, the weather is not helping us, but I love the day. We've just been told that we are about to leave for the 4th winery, but before we get there we're gonna get some food, and I think it's gonna be cheese and chocolate. That's the 1st winery. Can you leave a comment for the camera?
No.
Wow, thank you, very helpful.
We're at the 4th winery.
They're not helping at all. Go away! We're at the 4th winery now, still pouring, and after this we're gonna go to the chocolate factory and the cheese factory. So we're gonna eat a lot of amazing stuff. But right now, that's what we have in front of us. Look, looks beautiful. Somebody jogging under the rain. Good for you. There. We are finishing the first winery with a dessert wine, and we're going to the chocolate factory, which is the only thing I've been looking forward for all day, so we get to eat chocolate finally. Cheers! So I just bought a bag full of chocolate. We tried a lot of chocolate for free, and now we're going to the bus and trying whatever is inside here. And tonight we're gonna watch Black Mirror with some of the rest. Last stop of the day, the refectory. We can try cheese and yogurt and ice cream. We just made it home after a day spent in 4 wineries, a lot of wine drunk, a lot of chocolate tasted, some cheese, yogurt. Outside is pouring like crazy. In half an hour we have a reservation for a Japanese very fancy open kitchen restaurant. The food will be great. There are 6 courses and I'm very excited to eat again. Are we excited about the food? We are excited. But outside it rains like crazy and the camera was completely wet 5 minutes ago and my clothes currently are completely wet, so we're gonna get changed and go to the Japanese restaurant. It's right in the city center in Margaret River, and apparently it's the best restaurant in Western Australia for Japanese food, so tonight we're gonna give you a feedback.